I'm sure you all know where this is. That's right. We're back in the Enterprise building, downtown Lowell. And remember that thing right there? That's right. The old Montgomery elevator. Here's the directory. It's been a while since we wrote it, so we're going to take a spin. Let's go up the floor. One. Let's go up the floor. I think it's small. Watch this. Stop is deployed and stops the doors from closing, as well as it disables the elevator. But another trick is you can actually open the doors manually, or in this case, close them. So we're just gonna let it run again and watch this. It'll reset. Now when I let this park, this does park on the first floor automatically. Montgomery. Now watch this. The doors will not open because it parks on 1. But we are going up to 2, so I can show you all something. It's funny how this building is open on Saturday. But if you come down this way, this building has a split level. And here we have a chairlift, which I don't even know how the hell this thing works. But here's the remote. I don't think this hasn't even been used ever since. But this is what the chair looks like. You sit in it and it rides down wonder if they just got a new chair because maybe the seatbelt doesn't work. Maybe able to work with the seatbelt on? I don't know. We'll see. It might be unplugged, possibly. But well, it's plugged in, so I don't know why this isn't working. But that's what the chair looks like. And it does have a place to put your feet on while you ride. Use a staircase. Another set of staircase looking down towards the lobby. All right, let's end the tour. Let's see if this in use button works. Nope, it doesn't work. This elevator is only a single call system, so there is no up or down directional. And that's it.